Timmi was a little tiger. He went to play in the jungle.
Oh wow, a friend! Hi there, little tiger! Hee let's play!
He met Mintu, a green parrot. Mintu said, "Come. There's a magic pond." Both friends walked together. They jumped over a small gap. They climbed a big rock. They saw a shiny blue pond. They ran happily toward it. Suddenly, a wild boar came out. They got scared and ran away. They reached a safe place. Timmi learned. Adventure is fun, but be careful.
Don't worry, Mintu. Every adventure is better when we're safe together.